Welcome to the beautiful Franconia Notch State Park in Lincoln, New Hampshire. In the first part of this video, join me and my friends in a fun hike to the Flume Gorge. The Flume is a natural gorge extending 800 feet at the base of Mount Liberty. The walls of Conway granite rise to a height of 70 to 90 feet and are 12 to 20 feet apart. In the second part of the video, I will show you the famous basin at Franconia Notch State Park. Thousands of years of rushing water has eroded the rock into a smooth, circular, cave-like formation. So, get ready to explore these two natural wonders in one video. Let us start with the Flume Gorge. The hike around the gorge is about 2 miles long. We parked the car and started walking.
Can you see that?
We'll see waterfall and go back.
No, from here, what you are taking? Go nearby and
I'm taking you guys, man. I'm not taking water.
Are these also G provided shoes?
No. This has been with me for the last 4 years.
Jealous. Because I didn't avail of that.
They just give me a coupon, man. But I made you a
These shoes like hiking shoes. These are hiking shoes come.
This looks like G shoe, man.
Yeah. It's hiking shoes. Hiking plus electrical protection.
You misused G's for you.
No man, what? They were given me for life.
That is true.
This shoe is given by G.
All these statements are being captured.
Don't use it against me. But I am not done. Yeah.
Huh? Yeah. I think Govind has selected a perfect spot for him. Very good exercise.
I have climbed down the waterfall in Yellowstone.
Oh.
That was...
That stairs, right? The lot of stairs.
Yeah, the old man something.
Yeah.
That I did that. That was the
Lots of stairs.
difficult climb down, and climb down was still okay.
This is the end point, right?
Nothing fun. Yeah, this is the goal.
At least the hiking trail should have been long, so that you could have got some exercise.
So please stay on the
Trail to prevent any damage to
the
What? Yeah, take a picture here, man. This is good. But we are blocking their path. We are blocking their path. No, that is while driving. I don't give a damn about lighting unless it kills me. Flume covered.
This is the flume covered bridge.
So that is this one only.
Yeah. From 1886, seriously.
The actual date when it was built is still a matter of discussion, but many believe it to be built by the Lincoln Turnpike Company in 1871.
Can we go inside that? Yeah.
But you are in a very different path.
I think that's for motorways, so they don't encourage people to go.
But it's only for bus bridge. Pedestrians keep out of
But
bus
you can
bridge.
go.
Oh, no, pedestrians keep out of bus bridge.
Yeah.
This is pedestrian bridge.
Come and
Yeah.
you'll die under the bus and then your parents will be unhappy.
Oh man, you survived Niagara and you want to dive for this god.
For this little food.
No, I hope this is not the end. We have something big to see
This
here.
can't be there.
Yeah.
$16 for this thing. And I'll pee here, man.
Yeah, I think 2 miles. They told 2 miles. No, I don't think we covered. Maple tree.
Not that impressive actually. What? What would be the impression? This is Canadia's
Yeah, man.
like symbol, national symbol.
It gives me feelings.
That's a maple, normal maple.
That's Canada.
Yeah, there is difference. Not frank.
So Canada supports what? Sugar or simple? Goenchon is doing some analysis. What? Abhi, bus stop. Yeah, this is just a bus stop. क्या हुआ? Oh, water we are going to see now. We can drink. बेसिकली लग रहा है कि लेक जॉर्ज जाने का जो फ्री ऑप्शन था उसको छोड़ के हम $16 में हाइक कर रहे हैं. Hot. Seeing your facial expression when I told that. Adding masala to the trip now. Add spice. Oh no, I think something is there. Yeah.
The rock in the blue.
Just a water.
Oh, I should take it. Why are you meeting me, man? That's such a good thing to
That is covered. That is covered.
Go there.
Yeah.
Huh?
Go where?
Slippery.
That might be risky.
No, वहाँ पे कुछ पानी नहीं.
But do you think we will get a better view than what we get here? Yeah, keep walking.
Go.
They didn't go all the way in.
I'm still understanding the motor, man.
Huh?
You want feel like going inside the water? It's not like that.
This.
Very free water.
Yeah, I want to see what is there then. ठीक है ना, पकड़ने में मुश्किल हो रहा है भाई. कमिंग बैक अल्टे के.
Coming back to the
This is a way back, right? Or goes all the way straight and So you take the turn.
Next time. We don't have to come back from this side, right?
I don't know how. We have to go there and see. Yeah, I'm taking the video, guys. More priority for me.
We just keep telling it. We'll drag this.
Yeah. वो टूट गया है. This is good.
God century because this flood during a great storm and the high water in June 1843.
Oh. Oh, it's going all the way, man. Underestimate it.
What?
Going all the way up.
Yeah. Thanks for that.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll reach there and I'll shut on the video. Then I'll post the picture. बेयर केव है, रियल बेयर है केव के अंदर?
अभी नहीं है. Must have been sometime once.
Not that bad, man. This was good.
It's okay.
Yeah, not that bad.
What's another picture there?
Yeah.
How much space is there?
Oh man, Andhera.
Oh, we can change, man. We can change. This you can improve the brightness. Yeah, I think that setting will work. It only go in camera. This one flash also not giving good sunlight.
I'll take one for you.
Seeing the same spot for last 10 minutes. What are you taking?
I'm trying to do some.
But the other photos will not be overwritten, no? Be careful. What? I am posting. Doing something, doing something.
I'm trying to change the thing.
If I take picture, it will come better than me.
You are experienced that camera, no?
You know, one more star.
Yeah, but there is a big chance of losing that from your hand. No, you can't beat this. Yeah, this is meant for video. I shot a lot of videos with this. This is only man, not 18 of a cam. Yes, what? Prove again.
You have a really great.
Light नहीं है.
I've forgotten all these moves.
Did you explore the camera before?
Yes, that's a big
To
No,
forget.
I used it a long time ago. So I've forgotten everything.
See this one. This is like. See this?
You guys lucky. Yeah, this is good.
नहीं ये देख.
नहीं दिख रहा है? No man, it's really good. Blue and white.
Blue, no? Cover हो गया. But this cannot take photo. So somebody has to take photo.
Okay, you can freeze the.
Yeah, that is what I do. Yeah, real seaman. That is what I do.
Oh yeah.
I want to take a panorama.
Forgot.
By the time we figure out, we'll be in Canon. Just
Argentine supporter is there.
where? Now technically I am also an Argentine supporter. Because I supporting many other times.
They have completed the walking time.
Oh, okay. I don't trust that app, man. Yeah, it makes you feel good. Where water coming from there?
You can see there, the getting
Pool.
it's okay man, nothing spectacular.
That is some
Color is interesting.
archaeological stuff.
The color looks like
This is a marketing strategy. So some people will be really into all these things, no?
Someone has not
Architecture,
been for
history of forest, and they will come and make money.
Archaeology. Geology.
This looks like Deadpool, man, red and white.
it looks like someone has not paid for like millions of rupees.
Looks like all the things we are doing at the Vista Center is coming here. Oh, now it is getting hot, man. I'm getting sweaty.
Four people standing on top of each other.
The battery is low.
How many flashes? Spare batteries are in the car. Go ahead.
After really enjoying our hike around the Flume Gorge, we decided to move on to the basin. Huh? How did I transfer that to your bag? I will check. किसी के वाटर बॉटल बीच में आ गया भाई मुंह कट गया भाई फेस this is the basic church. You have to go there. Basic. Basically, turn is called basic. I don't think there is an observation point there. This is only for handicap. There is observation. Yeah, this is the basic. So this is a too powerful version of that turn. This is more powerful. नाम चेंज कर दिया, वाटरफॉल को बेसिन बना दिया। दिखने में तो सब अच्छा है, नॉट अबाउट दैट, इट्स अबाउट द डेफिनेशन ऑफ बेसिन।
Granite getting carved out of the rock bed.
वो तो रॉक बेड बोलते हैं ना।
You should read the description.
What is this stuff?
Read it.
Oh. Causing a boring action. Causing a boring action. The left side was. I got it.
Oh, read this part.
Oh. Basically, this is 25,000 years old. So one American guy came in 1830 and he saw this and wrote in the book saying that it's one of the most beautiful things he has seen in his life. After that, yeah, he told that and we kept like, it looks good, I know, saying it's not, but I have seen thousands of basins. No, if this is basin, then I have seen thousands of basins. That is the only point I am making.
I have seen such kind of basin in water cooler.
Man-made basin. That is what basin.
But there is no fish.
What?
There is no fish.
How do you think they will, what they will eat?
It's running water. Oh, maybe that is there. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. Live to travel. This is definitely going in the movie.
No car.
This is behind the scenes of the video. Behind the scenes bloopers.